Risk-based testing. Abstract. This paper describes the application of risk-based testing for a software product evaluation in a real case study. Risk-based testing consists of a set of activities requirements. Once identify the risk are prioritized according to their livelihood and impact, and test cases are designed based on the strategies for treatment of the identified risk factors. Keywords: case study, risk-based testing, risk management, software testing, test process. Introduction. Software testing activities aims to improve the quality of software products through checking compliance of software products with its specification. Related works. Traditional testings deal with risk and software testing, but commonly in an ad hoc fashion based on personal judgment. Risk-based testing concept address the explicit use of risk management activities inside the testing process. RBT approach. The section briefly presents the RBT process, a testing process model based on risk identification. Its main objectives is to identify only technical risks that are commonly related to software functionalities or requirements. It includes the review of risk source and categories to adopt the taxonomy based quantifications. See about the diagram. Risk identification, risk analysis, test planning, test design, test execution, test evaluation, and risk control. Case study. The section presents the case study categories by providing its purpose, the tool used to evaluate the approach, called MPY case, the performed steps to execute the case study, and finally observe the result. MPHY case evaluated tools. The RBT process was applied to the MPHY case multi-physics and multi-scale solver environment tool development. MPHY case in an Eclipse RCP environment dedicated to the automatic development of simulators based on finite element method. Case study execution follow. The MPHY case teams members and the volunteers received for our training about the RBT process and processing and basing software testing knowledge. After that, the authors, through the MPHY case team leaders, instituted RBT process, creating the TBQ, explained in step 3 and defining the process roles as shown below. Risk analyst, test manager, test design, test other software process rules. See about the diagram. RBT process and best software test training, MPHY case training, risk identification, test planning, risk analysis, non-risk based test case, based test case, test execution, test evaluation. Volunteers received 2 hours training about MPHY case functionalities. In these steps, the MPH members have walls to metrics relates to environment dependency, complexity, cost, size, qualities, and others. Risk-based, one of others design a risk-based test case for the most important functionalities. non-risk based and MPHY case members with test design training, designed functional test case for each one of the software functionalities, resulting in a squad with 11 test cases. Risk-based approach. Test case based on risk, designed according to RBTV process, test design, activities and executed in the order specified by RE. Non-risk based approach. Functional test case project by an MPHPC case team members and executed in order that present the user way of use. Hybrid approach. Non-risk based test case executed in the RE order. See about the table. Table 1, Table 2 observed result. Table 1, Table 2 present the matrix related to the risk identification using the taxonomy based quantitative BQ technique. See about Table 1. Time spent the identify risk in minutes. See about Table 2. Quantity and types of identified risk. See about Table 3. Time spent to analyze the risk in minutes. See about Table 4. Risk exposure value. See about general test execution result. See about Test 6. Defect found by test case. See about time to find defect in minutes. See about Table 8. Defect found per functionalities. See fifth one, conclusion and ongoing work. For this case study, through RBTV process, we would prove the RBT really focus on the part of the software that are more likely to fail. This helps test manager to make better use of their limited time and resource. Therefore, we could prove also that RBT find the most important defects earlier than functional approach, so they can be fixed earlier, and consequently the software quality is improved faster, and thus we can demonstrate can benefit. Thanking you.